Okay, light hitting a little bit. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amber B if you're new to my channel, and today, as you can tell by the title of the video, I am going to be doing a little DIY movie night today, okay? So this DIY movie night was so much fun. I did this as a little date night idea for me and my fiance. But of course, I feel like you can do this for your friends and family too if you're entertaining or hosting people over. So I hope this video inspires you all to, you know, get some ideas to do a little DIY movie night for yourself, whether it's for your boo or your family or friends. So if you're interested in this video, stay tuned. No DIY movie night is complete without a snack tray. So I got this snack tray from Amazon. I'll leave this down below in the description box, but I am just lining this with parchment paper. And then I am getting started with the snacks, which the most important snack of them all on this snack tray is the popcorn. So I just use a regular popped bag of popcorn. Feel free to pop your popcorn on the stove or just get whatever popcorn that you like. This is what I had on hand at home, so I just used this mini bag. And then I just placed my popcorn in a bowl. Now I'm going to start with the fruit, and so I am just doing some apples, so I'm just going to slice those in thin slices. And I'm also going to include some grapes on the snack board as well. Now it is time to build out my snack tray. So I am going to start with the fruit and just place my slices of apples in a nice little pattern. Honestly, there's no rule to how you should place things on a snack tray. Honestly, just do it to fit your aesthetic and what makes you happy and feels good and looks right. And so I am just kind of placing these slices of apples in a nice little pattern, and I'm also going to add my popcorn to the tray as well and some other fun yummy snacks. And of course, no snack tray, especially for a movie night, is complete without candy, okay? I was a little bad that night, okay, because I usually don't eat candy, but that night called for some candy for the snack tray because we were watching a movie. So as you can see, I have my favorites, Reese's, Skittles, and then of course some M&Ms, which is my fiance's favorite. And of course you have to have a nice refreshing drink. So with the snack tray, we drank Jam Jar, which guys, let me tell you, like, this is literally my jam, okay? It's so good, so I definitely recommend checking it out. So here is the finished product of the snack tray, and let me tell you guys, we actually ate everything on the snack tray, okay? It was so good, and we really enjoyed it. Honestly, if you're having more people over or you're entertaining a larger crowd, definitely add more snacks. I just wanted to be realistic because it was the two of us, so obviously there's not a lot of snacks on this tray, but I love it, so add to your liking. Now I'm going to set up my living room for the movie night, and this setup is actually inspired by Miss Liz Hart. I'm going to leave her channel above in the cards, but all she did was take her pillows off of her couch and just made like a little palette, so that's what I'm doing right now. And then I'm going to cover the pillows with some throw blankets, which, let me tell you guys, oh my gosh, it was so comfortable. I definitely recommend this if you are not like too picky with like your throw pillows. And that night we watched Mile 22 on Netflix, which is so good, so I highly recommend. Alright guys, that is it. That is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and like I said, got some inspiration for your own DIY movie night at home. Let me know if you guys recreate the snack tray, because the snack tray, like, I am still learning how to just kind of create snack trays, and yeah, I feel like I'm gonna get really elaborate with these snack trays in the future. So if you create a snack tray, be sure to tag me on Instagram. I'm gonna leave it on the screen below, and also feel free to drop your pictures in the comments and comment what did you think about this video. Let me know so I can continue to create content that you all are enjoying and inspired by. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.